Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video clip faster in Capcut PC. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to it. So I'm going to import this clip and I'll play it for you so you see it for yourself. Okay, so you can see this is a clip. You can see it's faster, right? It's fast, so we want to make it faster. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to speed, and I'm just going to increase it depending on what you want. Just increase it. Okay, 2x. If you notice, from about 11 seconds it was, if we increase it by 2x, it turns and reduces to 5 seconds. If we can increase it by more. Okay, right, so we can increase it by more, and we just have that. And ensure you have keep patch selected. And now if we go to the beginning and we play it, this is what we get. So you can see it's faster, extremely fast now, not so fast, but it's fast, and you can keep on increasing it like that. If you want it to be faster than what it is already, you can increase it, but just know, depending on the video, once you hit more than 2x, it tends to take out this, and this is what you get. You see, currently speedrun does not support. Okay, current speed does not support speed patch, so it's slower, it's faster now, but this is how it looks. Okay, so that is just how it's gonna look. So that is how to make video faster in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.